in London. We're riding on the bus. We're on a double-decker bus. We're going out to see the Tower of London, but right now we're stuck in traffic. We just left Trafalgar Square. We're going somewhere. Not very fast.
Normandy, better known as William the
Conqueror.
William the Conqueror, well done. He defeated the Saxon king, Harold II, at the Battle of
Hastings.
Good. He was crowned King William I of England on Christmas Day that year. However, he had to continue fighting the English, who did not take kindly to Norman.
Invasion?
French domination. So he decided to build himself a citadel, somewhere to overawe and impress the people of London. He chose the area to the east of the city on the site of an old Roman fort to build his royal palace and fortress, the very first in the land at that time. We know that building today as the White Tower. It's just beyond those trees over there. Don't bother looking! You can't see it from here. But I will show more detail later on. Now, over the years, successive monarchs have added to the defences of the White Tower. All right, put it down, mate.
We have the Tate. We're on the Millennium Bridge. Look, Whitney, say hi.
Hello.
Yep, and then there is St. Paul's Way up there. Yep. So we're waiting for Death Eaters. Do you see any Death Eaters?
Any theaters?
Death Eaters.
Death Eaters? No, I don't see any Death Eaters.
Soccer stamps
They're
or whatever.
coming.
Soccer stations. Whatever I said that one day. Here we are in the British Museum, one of the rooms of Egypt. Over there is the Rosetta Stone. Right up here is the great statue of Ramses II. Sarcophagus, and there is the Rosetta Stone. All right, we're on the London Eye, looking out. And we're maybe about, not even halfway up. Along the Thames. Parliament. Westminster Abbey. Buckingham Palace over there. Ministry of Defense. Whitehall Road things. Westminster Bridge. We are on top of the eye. Yep.